My name is Alex Carpio. I'm an attorney here at Snow & Carpio. We do workers' comp injuries and social security disability. The importance of an IME, it's an independent medical examination. This is an examination set up by the insurance carrier. Usually it's supposed to be independent, and we always hope it is. However, that's not the case in our minds. But that's the independent examination is set up by the carrier. So, for example, they want to know if they agree with what your doctor, your treating physician is doing. They see you one time. They're supposed to review medical records prior to you getting there. In addition, they do a physical examination. They ask you questions. They're not per se your treating physician, and they're not there to treat you. They're just to give. They're there to evaluate you and give a medical opinion about your condition as it relates to the work injury. Most of the time they try to limit the scope of your injury, or try to, in most instances, close out your case. And that's not always the case. Sometimes we do have an IME that is in our favor. However, it might be a different surgery that's being recommended, different from your treating physician. So what we do as attorneys, we send that to your treating physician, give them a copy, and let them know, hey, this is what happened. An independent medical examination occurred. Do you agree with this? Yes and no. If they disagree, then we go ahead and fight in court. And if they agree, then it's a moot point and we don't have to fight in court. It's important that I tell clients, when you go to the IME, tell the truth. You need to tell the truth. If it doesn't hurt, don't tell them it hurts. Because exaggeration of symptoms is something that IMEs always dwell on any IME, just so they can say, well, the objective findings don't correlate with the subjective findings. So the importance is be on time and tell the truth. If you're not on time, they can actually cancel the IME because you weren't on time, and still they'll take a credit for whatever amount the IME was for. So it's very important you keep the dates and you tell the truth, and that's the importance of an independent medical examination.